Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers doing one of our Wish I Would Have Known videos for you. This one's about slide out seals. It's very, very important that actually every time you camp you check your slide out seals. It's a very, very simple thing. It's just a visual inspection. What you want to do is check, this is called a wiper seal. You want to make sure that that wiper seal is actually doing its job. Slide out's out right now, so that seal should be out. If that seal were tucked in, you couldn't see this edge, it's not doing its job, okay? So it normally means your slide out slid too far that direction, okay, or too far this direction. If it's too far over here, this seal may not come back out because it doesn't have room to. So all you're doing is you're visually looking to see, is the wiper seal working, okay? You're gonna check underneath, you have another wiper seal underneath. And before you put your slide out in, you're going to want to also go up and just peek on the roof unless you have a slide out awning. Okay, this one comes equipped with a slide out awning. I can still see my wiper seal though. It's still poking out, so I know it's in the right position, but I don't have to worry so much about the roof. Why do you have to worry about the roof if you don't have a slide out awning? What if a Frisbee's up there, a baseball, a stick, any of those sorts of things that could damage the roof seal or damage the roof, but also keep the seal hooved up. We had an RV one time that had literally a Frisbee laying on the roof. The seal was up over it all winter. Water, you know, freeze, thaw, all that thing, and by spring the thing was just trashed because so much water ran inside of it. So you want to always check your seals. The other thing is this seal nice and pliable, okay? Can I bend it? Can I move it? Is it getting, you know, dry rotted, anything like that? And I want to treat these seals. I treat mine every time I camp. Some people say that's too often, but I don't ever want to have a problem. How do you treat it? It's real simple. There's different types of treatment you can use. One I like comes in a can. I spray it on a rag and I just wipe it down. That's it. Just wipe across the seals. I make sure they're good to go. It just keeps them clean. It keeps them treated. Keeps them very pliable so they do their job. If you have any other questions, give us a call. 877-877-4494. Ask for service. We can answer any of your questions. And anything else you need, check out our website, rvwholesalers.com.